friends, welcome to my channel. Once at 3 a.m. I went out of home to do mantra meditation. I thought I won't disturb my relatives who are asleep. I was 17 years old, very skinny, 45 kg girl. So I started walking among apartment buildings and chant mantra on my beads. It was pitch dark around with some night street lights here and there. I have grown up in the village and I have never faced any problems at nights or early mornings except some barking dogs. But this time I was in a huge populated capital city. Suddenly I had a feeling that somebody is behind me. I turned back and I saw the silhouette of a very tall, broad-shouldered man. At first I thought he's also walking and meditating. I continued my walking. In a few seconds my heart started beating faster and little alarmed. I started walking faster and I looked back if the man was still walking towards me. And he was. At that moment, every cell of my body started yelling out of fear. My heart started pumping up and down to come out of my chest. I was in a very helpless condition. No one was around. I am alone and the strong man is after me to kill me or to harm me. Immediately, I started calling out the Lord I worship. Narasimha, oh Narasimha, please help. And while loudly shouting the names of God, I ran as swift as I could. Our apartment was on the second floor, and we had a very old door with very stiff lock. Every day I used to spend at least 5 minutes to open the lock, no other way. But this time I didn't have even 5 seconds. But still I ran and heard how that man also ran. I didn't have a choice other than depending on God and trying my best. I put the key inside the lock, and for my surprise it opened in one try. I went inside, locked the door from behind and turned off the lights. The man reached our door. I thought he will hear my heart beat, but he couldn't decide which door out of 3 was ours, and he left. Friends, God helps those who help themselves. If you want to achieve something in your life, do your best and depend on God's mercy. Push yourself, work hard, life is hard. To achieve success is hard, and successful people are ready for hard work. How to motivate yourself? Actually, I talk to my mind and explain things to her. Look mind, if you don't wake up now at 3 a.m., you will suffer at the end of the day because of lack of time. That is why please wake up. Or oh mind, if you eat this cake now, body will gain an extra 2 pounds. As a result, you will feel the suffering of seeing how the body looks so ugly. And those talks help me to push up myself. And Vedas say that things in the mode of passion are so tasty and glamorous in the beginning, but turn into poison at the end. And activities in the mode of goodness are like poison in the beginning, but turn into honey at the end. Remembering this, I push myself to eat that poison of waking up at 3 a.m., controlling my eating habits, pushing myself to the exercises or any other activity I do. Because I know that in the end I will be rewarded with far better things in my life. I believe you are an intelligent woman or man, and you have your own unique and wonderful nature. You just need to talk to your mind and explain that if your mind wants to achieve some heights, he needs to listen to you, and he will. Otherwise he has to suffer. Plan your day and stick to your plans with just a little push. Just a little push. You will overcome laziness and motivate yourself. Thank you so much.